Welcome to my kitchen. Today we have Emmanuel Clement, the chef at Russell's on Lake Ivanhoe, a wonderful new restaurant in downtown Orlando in the Ivanhoe district. If you haven't been, you have got to go. It's one of the most exciting new restaurants in Orlando in the last couple of years. Welcome, chef.
Thank you.
What are we going to be making today?
We're gonna make the beets and burrata Napoleon.
Oh, I had that when I was at the restaurant. It was wonderful. I'm really excited to learn how to make that.
Yeah.
Tell us how it's done.
So we're gonna do with red and yellow beets.
Okay.
Buy the same size beets because of the cooking time. So they're gonna have the same cooking time if possible. You're just gonna have to put them in a pan covered with a little bit of salt and a little bit of water, covered with aluminum and roasted for 2 hours at 350 in the oven. But we have to peel the beets. See the color inside? It's really yellowish. Beautiful actually. This is a beautiful color, really. And the texture also, it's beautiful.
And how long did you say those were roasted?
2 hours.
2 hours. Okay.
Yes.
Is there a way to test that they're done?
Yeah, you can go with a little knife. Just pick inside. And if,
Okay.
if it comes out without forcing, or it's just ready to go.
Okay.
Yeah, should be. The red one. Go. Now we're gonna have to make the vinaigrette, the balsamic vinaigrette. So, the balsamic vinaigrette. You need a bowl, you need a whisk, some Dijon mustard first.
Okay.
We're gonna add salt and pepper. We're gonna add the vinegar, balsamic vinegar. Mix it. Then we're gonna add some extra virgin olive oil.
Okay.
Whisk. Now there's two possibilities. If you have a blender, you can blend it, but you're gonna have a very smooth vinaigrette. Personally, I like when the vinaigrette splits a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah. So you really have in your mouth, you can really feel the oil and the vinegars. It's two different. We're gonna add some fresh basil. We're gonna sizzle it with a knife, nice sharp knife. Once again, I like to have uh, little bits of basil.
Uh-huh.
When you have everything in your mouth, if you bite on it, then you got all the flavors coming out. So cutting the beets, it's about 1/8 of an inch thick. Beautiful inside. Look at this.
Gorgeous.
Yeah. Shiny. Looks like our sunset on the terrace.
Ah.
I like to start with the yellow one. I'm going to use the center cut. But if you're home, if you don't want to have a spare parts, you can double it like this.
Okay.
You can do that too. The burrata. I have the burrata here. This is how it looks like. We're going to spoon it. See the inside, it's pretty creamy.
Yeah.
Then I'm gonna go to the red one. Let's put it again. Now you have to, when you mount it, you have to try to be even, otherwise it's gonna go on one side and you may
Yeah.
flip. So
We'll have a leaning tower of burrata.
now we're gonna do the vinaigrette. I like when there's a lot of vinaigrette and a lot of sauce on my dishes. I mean,
And you're just putting that around it and not on it.
no, not on it. I just put it around, and please just don't be afraid. Just put some vinaigrette. Every bite should have some sauce on it.
Okay.
Yeah, so I don't usually like when you go halfway to your dish, you don't have sauce anymore. I said, oh no,
Yeah, I agree.
to the end. Pine nuts. Just like that. Gonna add some balsamic glaze. That's very easy to find. You can find it in every supermarket. There is
Okay.
some better ones than others, but that's very, just a couple of drops all around. It's a nice little surprise. That's our Napoleon.
Parfait.
Voila.
Perfect. It's gorgeous. You think I can do this?
Of course you can.
Okay. Well, I've got my beets. I've
Yes.
got some burrata. I've got pine nuts and my balsamic, and I'm going to get some basil from my herb garden, and I'm going to give this a try.
All right. Sounds good.
All right, we'll get back and I'll show you how it turned out.
Okay. Excellent.
All right. So, Chef, I'm finished with the dish, and here it is. What do you think?
Looking good.
I think I got my pine nuts a little bit too toasty. They're a little over toasted.
Yeah, but they're not burnt, so that's okay.
I snuck a little bit of a little taste, and I think it tastes pretty good. I really like this recipe. It was easy to do, and it looks terrific. It's really impressive. I'm going to try this out with my next dinner party.
Yeah, that's a very good idea.
You can do it in advance.
It's nice, fresh, colorful. You're gonna make people happy with that dish, definitely.
Yeah.
Yes.
Well, the recipe is on the website, and if you really want to know what it's supposed to taste like, go down to Russell's on Lake Ivanhoe and let the chef prepare one for you and try the rest of the menu. It really is a wonderful new restaurant. We're really happy to have Russell's on Lake Ivanhoe in Orlando, and we're really happy that you joined us today, Chef.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, and thank you for joining us. Goodbye.